Firstly, the only negative thing I found on AND was it is online. The lectures, it was completely different from the engineering background. The tutors, they felt like friends more than tutors. Like if I have a doubt, they will completely do like when I talk with my friends, they teach me like that. Every sessions were engaging and entertaining, so I haven't feel bored. Every modules where it has continuity, like first module connected to the second module and it is connected to third. It was my step by step process. The sessions were great. Like they were teaching me to how to attend in the interviews, and they were like developing more social skill. I would like to say that how to talk to people when we are getting interviews, and how to build the portfolio, how to present it well. It was helpful. I have gone through some interviews before joining my current job. Yeah, it was also helpful to do the interviews. Mainly, I didn't know how to speak with like professionals. I just talk to anyone like my friends. So I learned to more speak to anyone with more professional skills now. Everything improved, like my soft skill improved, and now I can think like a designer. I have a lot more steps to improve, and I will improve in the future. Every mentors like build me to a designer now, and the mentors also give direct feedback to the learners, and through my sessions it was really helpful. And also the placement assistance was very nice. Like they give me every update through my the mail, and also the CSD team have a connection with me through WhatsApp, and it was a great experience with ANDAcademy. So anyone can join with and without any fear. A career is guaranteed. I think if you have skill, a career is guaranteed.